Parkside, we have 2 DE classes. I'm here in room 16, and a number of Thames Valley schools do a caffeine cart with their developmental education classes. So the students are involved in every aspect. It started out at the beginning of the semester when we kind of did some market research to kind of set our prices and figure out how much we would charge and how much our ingredients would cost. They help us get ready the baked goods, so they bake about every other week. And then they help serve the drinks. They help prepare the drinks and serve the drinks. And then we also track our profits and our revenues and our costs.
My favorite part is when Jamie comes, when I go and have fiber and then I go and put the coffee on the desk.
I think they're definitely developing their socialization skills, they're able to interact with our customers, and they're learning confidence in terms of preparing food and serving food.
I'm getting a little more comfortable going into the classrooms.